Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to make campfire in Green Hell. Now the first thing that we would need to do is, if you take a look in your notebook right here, for us to go ahead and create a campfire, we would need a couple of things. So these are 6 small sticks and 8 sticks with us. So let's just go ahead and find some sticks. So these could be already broken down on the floor, or if you have a machete or an axe or something that you can use, you can just go ahead and chop some wood as well to do that. So say for example this one right here. Now this becomes a log. If we go ahead and chop it up even more, it becomes a long stick. And if we chop it up one more time, we will get a stick right here. So we need 8 sticks with us. So it'll be this one, this one. So we now have 4 sticks. We have now 5 sticks, 6 sticks, 7 and 8. Now for us to get a small stick, what we can do is we can just go ahead and chop up the long stick into a stick, and then one more, it will become a small stick right here. So for the campfire, we need 6 of these. There you go. So we now have 4, 5, and 6 right here. So it's 6 small sticks and 8 sticks. Now we can go ahead and place or put them all together by going into our notebook. And then if we press square on this, then there will be a location where we can go ahead and put our sticks in. So we've put a location to where it would be. So now that we have put a location for our campfire, we can then press square to insert our sticks. So we have the small sticks as well as the sticks that we have collected right there. And now that we have created our fire area right here, we can go ahead and create a hand drill that we can use to start the campfire. Now once that we have created this, we now need to use a hand drill to go ahead and create our fire for the campfire. So for this, what we would need is 2 sticks, one as a stick and one as a plank or a small stick. So let's go ahead and collect some right here. So we have our stick, and let's create our small stick as well right here. Now if we go into our crafting table right here, and if we take a look at our stick right here, so what we can do is we can use a stick on top of a small stick, as you can see. So it is one stick right here and then one small stick. For us to create a hand drill, if we press R1, this will go ahead and craft the hand drill itself. Now we would need to go ahead and find tinder. So we would need something that's quite easy to start the fire. So this can be a bird's nest, fiber, or even some dry leaves. So it would be these ones right here. So what we can do is we can go ahead and cut this right here, as you can see, and then we can just go ahead and hold this. Now to start the fire, we need to go to our backpack and then go ahead and find our hand drill right here. And then go ahead and press expand and then press use right here, as you can see. And now we need to go to our dry leaf, and if we press X on this, it will go ahead and start. Now this is how you can go ahead and create a fire or ember, and then we can go ahead and put it right here. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.